Hi Mamas and Papas, I'm Cassie with Harlow's Earth, and today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap your pack and play mattress with our Harlow's Earth crib mattress cover, creating a safer sleep time for your little one. Go ahead and lay out our crib mattress right on the floor. Take off our packaging, and you can see that the directions are right on the inside so you can follow along if you like. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and fold out our crib mattress cover. You're going to notice that on one side there's print, as well as these little vent holes, which are to prevent against the balloon effect a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and lay that print side down. Slide the crib mattress cover over the mattress. Good, nice snug fit here. You want to go ahead and flip it over. And we're going to fold this up to the Velcro. And then there's a little backing on our Velcro. It's a little sticker. You can just go ahead and peel that off, as well as on the other side. So once you have it folded in, you're then going to fold it up one more time and stick it to the bottom side of the mattress. You can go ahead and just squish that down, and there we have it, our wrapped pack and play mattress. And place your mattress back into the crib, and you're going to just want to follow and finish it with placing a swaddle blanket down, like our organic swaddle blankets from Harlow's Earth, followed by a fitted crib sheet, and then voila! Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to help us spread the word about safe sleep by telling your other friends, new mamas and papas out there, and make sure to like us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks again.